Hi, my name is Vijita Palani. In this training video, I will talk about the dashboard for the CMS review users. In this video, you will see how to access the dashboard for IBNRS after logging into the MACFin system. Enter your user ID and password to log in to the MACFin system. Click on Login to log in to the system. After you have entered your user ID and password to log in, the My Portal page will be displayed. Click on the MACFin tile and choose Application from the My Portal page. The system should now take you to the MACFin home page. You can click on IBNRS on the top panel to access the IBNRS system. You can click on Dashboard and you will be able to see the IBNRS dashboard. From the dashboard, you can choose the submission year from the drop-down to view all the state submissions for that year. The table below shows all the state submissions for that year with the state, review analyst, and review manager certification dates and CMS approval dates. The Actions column allows you to view R199 or CMS 10180 and the desk review. You can also add/edit your desk review by clicking on the Add or Edit Desk Review link. Once completed, you can click on Certify to certify your desk review only for the states within your branches. If you would like to access the dashboard again, you can click on the Back to Dashboard link to take you back to the dashboard. If you need additional information on the dashboard, please refer to the MACFin online help available or refer to the user manual and FAQ provided. Thank you.